Hi, I want to invite you for this empowering workshop. It's rather a session. Let me explain. But empowerment we can create, we can work on our limiting beliefs using different tools, modalities like NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, which I was involved from 2011. But very quickly, the sabotaging pattern comes up and it literally collapses whatever we are building. Now, those pattern keeps coming back, and this is what literally happened to me. The moment I understood that it is not me, the 47-year-old, who is creating that sabotaging pattern, it's actually a younger part of me. That's why I would use a lot of therapeutic tools from which are used in psychotherapy, used in trauma recovery therapy, which has been my background for quite a good few years now. And this is what I'm taking people through day in, day out, all the time, right in this place here. And this is the workshop, which is not just working with the mindset change. It is also somatic therapy tools using the embodied memories and working with the parts which are actually the root causes of our patterns in the adult self, which is you. You are intelligent, creative, vibrant, energetic, but it is not that adult self. It is the younger parts of you which is creating those patterns. So example, it is not, for example, if you're a chronic perfectionist, it is not that you. It is actually parts of you which is driven that nobody can judge me or criticize me that it is less than 100% job. So that no one can point finger, I will make it 120% that I'm safe. So it's coming from our insecurity. Where is the insecurity coming from? It's coming from a fear of being judged. Where is the fear coming from? It's probably coming from that younger part of you who was criticized in your previous years or even in your teenage time, in your childhood. And this is very, very deep. So this kind of things I will literally take you through, opening your eyes. Where is the imposter syndrome coming, that I don't have experience enough, I don't have qualifications enough? No, it's you are not feeling worthy enough for your next big step. That's what it is. And we need to work with the root cause. There would be a huge healing part, and then using a lot of therapeutic tools, and then we will also go into that empowered version of that segment of that workshop, where I will take out a evidence-based process I will use to take out which is already existing in you. That is the courage which is inside you, the resilience, the fearlessness inside you, the brilliance which is already inside you. How many times have you asked yourself, what is my brilliance? All of these things, it's all inside you. Take it out and present it to you. Look, this is you. Show up as you. And when also it is done in a very sustainable way, which is also giving the acknowledgement to the younger parts who are creating the sabotaging pattern, now it's in a beautiful harmony. You are healing and growing at the same time. So it's very sustainable. And this has been my process, and for the last 3-4 years I have been receiving immense feedbacks. People have made me part of their wellness programs, all different things, only because this process combines mind, body, therapeutic elements, empowering elements, high performance tools, all of it together. Come, ask me any questions. I'm doing it at the moment in Bangkok, in Europe soon. I would be coming this summertime in different places, which I did before in the last few years, but this time in other destinations as well. Let me know, ask questions in the comments. I would be very happy to answer. Take care. Bye-bye then.